So hello guys, in this video, we will solve this problem. So what the problem states? We will be given an array and we have to find all the duplicate elements. In this case, we have 3 and 1 which appear twice. So we have to find these two elements and return them. Now how do we solve them? Now how do we solve this problem? What we can do is we can create a set in which we will be storing the unseen elements which appears only once. Then we will be creating a vector in which we will store the duplicate elements. Then we have now how do we figure out which is not seen and which is seen? So this is the array we have, and initially we have a pointer pointing to the first element. Then what we'll do is we will check that if this element has appeared before. Have we seen this element before? No. No, why? Because this element is not in the unseen set. So if it is not in the unseen set, we will just push or insert that value into this unseen set and move our pointer to the next element. This time the I will be 1. And now we again check that have we seen this element before? No, we haven't. Because this value is not in the unseen set. If it is not, just insert into the unseen set and move to next element. Now this time the pointer I will be 2. Now we again check that have we seen this before? Yes, we do. Why? Because this element is in the unseen set, which means this is a duplicate. Now, if it is duplicate, just add it to the vector and move to next element. Now this time this I will be 3. And we again check that have we seen this before? No, we haven't. Why? Because 2 is not in the unseen set. Then what do? We just push or insert the value and move to next element. Now this time the I will be 4. And we again check that have we seen this element before? Yes, we do. Why? Because this 1 is present in the unseen set, which means the 1 is a duplicate. Then what do? We just insert or push the duplicate vector. And this time we will be pointing to the next element, which means we will be coming out of the for loop. And if you observe carefully, we have a vector in which we have successfully stored the duplicates, the 3 and the 1. So we simply return them. And this is how we solve this problem. I'll show you the code of this. This is the problem we have in the lead code. First, I have to find the length of the array vector we got. So I will write int nums dot find, sorry, size, which will give me the length of the array. Then I will create an unordered set of type int. I'll name it as unseen. Then I will create a vector of type int. I'll name it as duplicates or 2, in which I will store the duplicate values. Then I will iterate the element using for loop. With the range is 0 to n. So now I will check that if if I'll check that the unseen dot find nums dot array. If this is equals to unseen dot end, which means not in the unseen set. If it is not there at unseen, just insert. So I will insert the value, but else the value is duplicate. So just push it to the duplicate. Push back the value, and finally just return duplicate. And I will submit, and I hope it works. And yes, it did. And this is how we solve this problem. Thank you.